Very good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. How about you?
I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking to me. Okay, before begin our conversation, we should introduce ourselves, no? So could you please introduce yourself?
Definitely. My name is Prarthana Sharma. As you know, I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am married. I have two kids. And if I talk about my qualifications, I had completed my graduation and I am totally house manager. That's all about me.
Okay, lovely introduction, house manager.
Yeah, because I'm in my house.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's my turn. So this is Vandy. I'm calling from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. My qualifications are I have done BA in Political Science honors. Then I have done Bachelor degree of Library Science from IGNOU University. Then I did some hair courses. So by professional, I'm a hair trainer as well as a hair stylist. If you
Wow.
talk about my interest, yes. If you talk about my interest, so I love yoga and I make other beautiful and many more things I do to energize myself. No, whenever I get spare time. So these things give me energy like a dance, singing. For myself, not for other. I'm not a not a professional singer or dancer. So entertaining and watching related to my hairstylist content and color content. I love to watch that kind of content in a
Okay.
YouTube channel. So I
Hmm.
follow someone, and whenever I get time, so I do these things. And new hobby I included in my hobbies, you can say. These days I'm running my YouTube channel, so this is also hobbies all the time. And also I want to improve my English. That is why I'm
Yes.
here. Main motto is improving my English. Running
Okay.
YouTube channel, yeah, running YouTube channel. There is a means no any behind any reason, any motive. Just I want to improve my English and easy to
Okay.
get partners.
It's all about English, yeah, hairstyle and beauty
No,
related
it's all about
anything.
no, it's all about the speaking English, no? Because I
Okay.
want to improve first these things. I have a good knowledge about the hair, how to make hair do, how to do color, how to do cut. I know everything very well because I have a 10 years experience, you can say. So
Okay.
I have a much confident about my field. But when it's come to speaking, so I was very poor and I was very weak. So that is why
Mm.
I'm polishing my enhancing my English.
Wow, it's a good. It's a good. So you like did your um, hairstyle, each and everything you have learned, and you did job. Yeah, you your own shop. I want to know.
Uh, I don't have my own shop because I opened. I was in Delhi 10 years. That time I lived in Delhi in 10 years. So that
Mm.
time I did sports first, and then I work for 5 years over there in academy as a trainer. Then I opened my own salon 2019. But due to Corona stuck, I had to shut my salon because financially this time that time was a very no uncertain and people are very what I say face a lot of problem that time
Yes.
financially, small thing for a small thing due to lockdown we faced a lot that time. And a shop owners, he asked about money to us. So that
Mhm.
time it's very difficult to give money because we are not earning, we were not earning that time. So
We were.
how could I arrange money? Yeah. So that was the problem that time I faced. That is why I don't have a courage. No, again I spent so much money and I'm not getting anything. So it's better to enhance my English. And again, I try some academy and somewhere else. So definitely, I want to work this time. And if you talk about no, my sister has a two salons. She runs two salons. So I work with her. So
Oh,
part time I go there. Part time go there means 5 6 hour I spend over there because walking client means mostly if you go about the booking or appointment. So some client, no, very rare. It's a small city, so people are not so much aware and so much curious about these things. So
Yes.
they visit just for immediately they come. If they wants to cut, no, they want to attend some. Yeah, they are going to attend some party or something. That time immediately they will come and they will say that, "Ki, okay, I want to make up and I want to this that." So immediately, so you have to present over there. So
Yes.
that is the condition. So appointment based client come very less. So
Yes.
mostly you have to present over there. So five
Yes.
hours I spend over there, and part time you can say, and rest of the time I make a video, and so all these things I work. And I'm working on this language, so this language also demand that you give more time. If
Yeah.
you want to become fluent, so you give me more time.
For
So in
for speaking
yes.
how you can, so you speak. Okay. Okay. So how do you do practice your English practice?
These days, I'm focusing a little bit. If I find some difficult in grammar and tenses, that time I go through the grammar channel and some channel I follow. So I follow and I watch related to my doubt.
Mhm.
And other time I try to read loudly some books or some newspaper, something, some para. No, I try to speak loudly.
Hmm.
And other application I installed, so the help of that application I try to speak with people. More you speak, because all time nobody available in video call. So
Yes.
that time I want to utilize, so that is why I install some free application, so I use that application to enhancing. Because
Means that application name.
eyebrow application,
Uh-huh.
Jostro, these are the application I use. English buddy.
Okay. So in Josh Talk, that application is free. Actually,
No,
I
no, no. Joestroke is not free. But earlier it was free. So earlier means I have been practicing for 1 year. So initially stage, my initially stage, I use that, used to use no proper manner. I took subscription 499. It was the 499, and 4 month subscription I took that time, and I utilized my 4 month. Later I thought that it's not means there is a other application available, so why should I go for that thing? So that is why my means no I shift in Hybro application. So Hybro application also was free that time, but right now I think it gives every day 25 minutes. And if you want to use 24 into 7 hour, so you have to pay, means very nominal price, I think 89 or 90 rupees you have to pay
no, no,
for month.
I think 100 to up pay because I did use Hybro app, so I only used free 25 minute I used.
Those who are eager to learn this language, so they can search no sources. We try to use that sources and develop our English.
English,
uh,
yeah.
so every time we don't have a partner, we need to speak more, so we need partner also. So we can use this kind of application.
Okay,
What
okay.
is your hobbies?
My hobbies, I also fond of to learn new things. But these days, I only my hobby to become fluent in this language. So I give my all time for English language whenever I get time because I have kids. So every time I busy. But whenever I get time, so I try to learn this language deeply. So yeah, I include myself every time in English. And
Then
yeah, I learned
how
lot
did
of
you get
things.
partner?
Earlier, my hobby was stitching clothes. So I learned how to stitch cloth, how to make designer dresses, and I am fond of to learn new things. I told you so how to make designer means hairstyle and how to apply makeup. So I learned from YouTube. But these days, I not do anything extra. I only do English practice.
Very nice. Yeah, I'm also no. It's a very important things and crucial things. So why not we should uplift our communication. Later we can do other things also, because you know everything means how to stitch. You can if you no don't practice or don't do for 1 month or 2 months, so you can pick up because you know everything. To the two
Ye-
days you feel some trouble or something, but later you feel more confident. No, you can do your work, you know how to do, so you can do. But it's
Yes.
the language. If we don't practice one day, so another day we started fumbling, no,
Sta-
hesitation.
yeah,
This,
hesitation also, how we start. Like,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. And the right words not come in our mouth, and mouth muscles is also very important. If you
Yes.
don't if you don't speak,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
so your
Okay.
mouth and pronunciation will not work.
Not work. Yes, yes, definitely. So whenever we learn any language, not particular English, so we need to speak more and more. That's why I not do anything extra these days. I only do practice and listening practice and speaking practice.
What type of content do you listen?
Whenever I confuse anywhere in grammar rule, and I have not enough vocab, sometime I go any vocabs, and I teach my kids, so sometime I learn their book related all things. So yeah, I learn like this.
Okay, okay.